हमारे चैनल की लेटेस्ट वीडियोस का अपडेट पाने के लिए सब्सक्राइब बटन पर क्लिक कीजिए और फिर बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए।
Welcome to 2minutecrafts.com. This channel is made to enhance the creativity of the children to make them efficient in art and craft. Motive of this channel is to provide scholarship to creative children. Spread this information in your surroundings so that all creative children could get utmost benefit of this scholarship program. Winner children will get 1 year school fee as a scholarship. So don't wait, pick your phones, cameras, prepare and forward your videos by WhatsApp on this number 9873031063. You can also mail your creative videos at creative@2minutecrafts.com. For more details, visit our website www.2minutecrafts.com.
Hello friends, I am Mr. A Kumar from Sri Vinayaka Publications. We promise to give 1 year scholarship program on behalf of 2 Minute Crafts.